Hey, what's up? I got some message from the viewers that some are unable to connect their external style sheet and also the external JS file to the main HTML page. So what we are doing here is to see how we have to connect, or how we can connect the external style sheet and the external JS file to our main HTML page, um, and what may be the problem that you are not getting connected. So we will just discuss all these in this video. This is just to connect external style sheet and the JS file to our HTML page. Okay, let's start from here. Let's make a folder first. I prefer to go to the let's go to this PC and E drive. Let's make any name, for example CSS, external CSS and JS connection. Whatever name you can write, ABCD, it's not a problem. This is just a folder where we put our all the web contents. Okay, now let me open the Visual Studio Code here. Okay, and now let's first open that folder. It's in E drive. I think external CSS and JS connection. Select folder. Okay, now this is our folder, and we put a first index.html file here. Okay, and let's set up it. Just for title I give connection CSS and JS file connection. Okay, and now here we put one, let's make one folder that I give name assets, and inside this folder we have two files. One is main.css and another one is main.js. Our target is to connect these two files, main.css and main.js, inside our in our HTML page. The first thing we have to consider is that the CSS file, when we link, this must go in between the head and head tag. Okay, and for the JS file you can keep in the head tag also, or you can put it inside the body tag. In practice, generally we put JS file just above the closing body tag. Whatever, let's first connect this main.css. What we can do is, let's make it toggle word wrap so that it is easy, and here link, we have to remember this tag, link rel equals Stylesheet. This is that we are telling our program that we are going to use the Stylesheet, and this is the link href equal to, you can give the full link, but here what we do is the assets is in the same row of index.html. That means we can write here assets, we go to assets, and the file inside assets is main.css. Just remember this, the path, this is the path, complete path, but here we are working in the same folder, and so this assets folder is in the same parallel with index.html. That means in the same folder assets are there, assets is there, and index is there, and inside assets we have the main.css, so we just link it. Okay, just this means now our external style sheet is connected with our index.html. Now let's check it. Okay, let's open this file, this one, and we go to this. Okay, now there is nothing, so just write something and we check if it is working. For example, let's go to here and write body. Let's styling body and check it, background color, for example aqua, and let's check it if it's working. Refresh it. Yeah, that's it. It's linked to the our main page. But why sometimes we cannot link it, means maybe there is the problem is sometime maybe you have to check the spelling mistakes here. Stylesheet, I just do one mistake, and there is no connection. So if you are not able to connect, check if this line, the Stylesheet is perfect, and your path. If, for example, if I miss the assets, if I give the wrong path, it doesn't work. So what we do is we have to check if everything correct here. Before we write something in Stylesheet, it's always a good practice to check it. Same for the JS file. Okay, now check it again. If it's working, yeah, it's working perfectly. Okay, same for the JS. Like we use the script tag, script, then src, source equal to. What is our source? It's the same. Inside the assets, we have main.js. And you have to close the script tag. Not like the link is for the style sheet, you have to close the script tag. Let's check if it is working. Go to main.js and for example, just say a lot. Hey, I am linked. And let's see. Okay, let's refresh the page. Yeah, hey, I am linked. That means the JS file is also connected. Okay, so yeah, if it is not working, you have to check here the path, if you give a right path or not. Because if you forget, if you give the wrong path here, it's not working. That means it doesn't connected. So we have to give the right path here. And now if you see, yeah, that's it. So the two things, the first, the style sheet must go in between head and head tag. I mean inside the head and head tag, and you have to put link, that the link tag, link rel equals style sheet, and href, that means the location, and it doesn't have the closing tag, no worries. And same for the script, you can keep anywhere, but it's good to practice just before the closing body tag, and just script src, that means source equals what is the source, just check the name, spelling and the path here, and you can connect. Yeah, hey, I am linked. That's it. So I hope this video will help you, and if you are still getting some problem, please write in comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel Code Roughly, where we discuss or where I try to put videos for the beginners. Okay, thank you. See you.